A lot of you have been facing challenges on how you can get your TIN number, which you can use to set up your Facebook payment method. Yes, I know you have received your content monetization setup on Facebook. That is a big congratulations to you. In this video, I'm going to show you the process on how you can get this TIN and also how you can start setting up your content monetization. Because I've been receiving messages, people have been telling me to show them how they can set up their content monetization from beginning to the end. And in this video, I'm going to show you every method involved, what you need to do, and the step-by-step method which you can be following, and you get everything set up without making any mistake, because a single mistake you make can damage everything. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am No Pay Flavor TV. In this channel, we'll teach you how you can make money with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me show you the step-by-step method which you need to follow and start setting up your content monetization. Now, let's get started. Now, first, let me show you how you can get your TIN. And to get your TIN, you need to come to this website. Here, as you can see, it says welcome to JTB TIN registration system. As you can see, TIN verification portal, access TIN registration system, register for non-individual and register for individual. So if you are a business owner, you need to click on non-individual. But if you want to register for your individual for yourself, all you have to do is just to click on register for individual. When you click on register for individual, it's going to bring you to this interface like this. And the first thing you have to do is to put your BVN, your date of birth, your first name, and your last name. Make sure you fill all the information according to how your BVN or your slip is being. Make sure you fill all the information here. And after you have filled all the information, you click on search, and they are going to bring out your information where you put your email address and every information. And after you do that, they are going to give you your TIN number. You are going to receive it as an email. You are going to receive your TIN number. Now, this is how you get your TIN number. Now, let me show you how you are going to set up your Facebook monetization, your content monetization. Let me show you that process. And to do that, now you click on content monetization. When you click on content monetization, it will bring you to this interface like this, as you can see. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on get started. When you click on get started, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where it's going to tell you to set up. I've already set up so many accounts. That is where you are seeing it like this. But you that just register, they just give you the content monetization new. All you just have to do is just to click on individual. And after you click on individual, you click on next, or you can click on add new business information. You click on add new business information right now. When you click on add new business information, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you need to fill all your information, your legal name, your date of birth, your country, all your information. Make sure you put all your information that is on your TIN, just the way it's in your TIN and your BVN. Don't miss, change it together. Make sure you fill all the information right. So don't forget, make sure you fill all the information right. Don't put your name of another person. Don't put name of other person. Use your own name. Then it will bring you to an interface like this, where you need to select your country. You select your country, which country you are, Nigeria, and you select your business type. Make sure you select individual. After you select individual, it will bring you to an interface like this again, and you also fill out all these informations, your TIN, all your information that you are going to see. You fill out everything, and it's going to bring you to an interface like this, that it will also ask you to link your bank. Make sure you click on manual link bank. Manual, the first one, you click on that one, not the second one, the first one. If you want to use paper, that is when you use the second one, but I advise you go by the manual, which you are going to use your bank information. That is the first one. Then after you click on it, it's going to ask you to put your task information. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to put your task information, your TIN number. make sure you put your TIN number, and after you put your TIN number, it will bring you to an interface like this where you select individual. Everything you are selecting here is individual, and you select non-US, everything should be no. After you fill it here, it will bring you to an interface like this that you fill all your information, you select your country, everything you need to select, make sure you select it right. Don't put other people's information, and you are going to see your interface like this. As you can see, you are going to see your interface like this. Then after you see your interface like this, everything is done. Now, this is where you upload your TIN number, you upload all your informations of the TIN. In the individual, you're going to see all the information. Then after you see all the information here, that says that yes, you are good to go and you are doing the right thing. Make sure you are following the information I'm sharing with you. See you guys on my next video. So now you guys have seen the method I just show you, which you can use to start setting up your content monetization. I hope that information I just shared with you right now helpful to you. If that information is so helpful to you, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you on my next video.